A7.
Yeah, this is the vending machine. Let's see, we got lucky here, everyone. So, B, right?
B is empty.
Oh, A?
A 3 or 5, yes.
Let's see, that's how it works.
Because it's empty. And you gotta know it's 442. My shoe's empty.
Alright.
I want that one.
See what happens here. Press another one. A7.
A7's empty.
Uh-oh.
Sorry.
So,
A3 or A5 if you want A.
okay, see what happens right here.
And a Challenger funny car.
Challenger funny car. Okay, so I got 2 so far. Let's see what else. A.
7's empty.
Oh, okay, that's empty. A5 again.
Yeah, too fast. Do it one more time. 5.
It comes out of here.
And a VW drag truck.
Alright, got something good. Oh. So, A5 again. See what happens.
Clear that row out. That row is now empty.
Uh-oh.
The only A you've got is A3, I think.
That's it.
We'll see. We'll see. If you want A.
A3.
You got another VW drag truck.
Whoa. Alright, so A3 again.
A3 is now empty. No more A's.
Oh my god, so no
A,
what?
B, and C is over.
So what do we have there
You got
left?
anything in D? D3. You got F1, F3, F5. That's empty too now. Which one was that? That was
D.
D1.
Yeah, so now it's E7. See what happens.
Try E7. That should be good. E7's empty. So happens we get to the end.
So F7. See what happens.
F7's empty.
So F what?
F1, 3 or 5.
Okay, F1. See what happens.
There you go. We got a hot bird.
There it is. So what was it? F3?
Yeah.
What is it?
And you got a pink Camaro party car. Real nice.
Cool.
Good one.
That's the bonus right here.
There you
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
So there's everyone. This is the vending machine prices that I was able to get. Check it out.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.